Al-Habibiyah Islamic Society invites the general public to its 2019 National Unity Ramadan lecture with the theme Leadership and Trust. Lecturer is Professor Usman Muhammad Shuaib, Dean, Faculty of Law, Bayero University, Kano. Chairman is Al-Haji Musliu Smith, former IGP and Chairman, Police Service Commission. Special guest of honor is Al-Haji Buba Marwa, former Governor of Lagos State. Royal Father of the Day is His Royal Highness Al-Haji Musa Idris, Chief of Jiwa. Father of the Day is Honorable Justice Muhammad Lawal Uwais, former Chief Justice of Nigeria. Mother of the Day is Hajia Samira Jibril, Executive Director, Glisten International Academy, Jahi, Abuja. Host is Imam Fuad Adeyemi, National Chief Imam, Al-Habibiyah Islamic Society. Venue is Nigerian Merit Award House, Maitama, Abuja. Time 9 a.m. Date is 12th of May 2019. Al-Habibiyah Islamic Society. From Allah to you, a light.